What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another motovlog. Doing another day of trail riding here. It's been dumping rain all morning, so rain finally stopped. We're able to go ride. It's like in the evening already, and it's probably gonna be pretty slick out here today. Oh my God. I didn't expect all that. Oh my goodness. I don't know if my friends are gonna make it up that.
You alright?
Meanwhile.
Are they coming up or no? Yo! Come on!
A few inches later.
Come on now. I know it's wet, but it ain't that. Oh, Alan's down. You want me to ride it up for you? No? I mean, you're past the hardest part.
Dude, I know. What happened was...
What had happened was...
See, what had happened was...
See what had happened. Oh! Alright, gang's all here. Oh my God!
Shit!
Get your momentum up down there, boys. Alan's down there chopping trees.
6.5 hours later.
Yeah! There you go! Shit. At this point, it might be easier to turn around and... Yeah, you're just roosting the shit out of Alan. Yeah, with the speed! There it is!
Later.
Let's go, Hill. You know, a match for this YZ250F. Piece of cake. Let's go, boys. Oh my God, it's pouring. Oh my God. Shit. This is kind of sketchy. Oh my God. Rudy, wait for me. I'm coming. Well, we knew it was a possibility that it could rain, but this is bad, dude. Hey, we got an adventure. That's for sure. I'm soaked. Yeah! I don't have my goggles on. This rain feels like needles in my face.
Tomorrow.
been ripping pretty good on the trails. I'm surprised. Good stuff, Rudy. Stock KYB motocross forks on here. They're a little stiff, but I really don't mind them in the woods that much. Maybe if I did like a really long moto. Nice little view out here. Had to soak it in. I was just checking out the view. Did he just not see us? Let's go catch him. Whew, there you are. We were just...
I thought this made a U-turn to come back to you off.
We were just taking in the view over there.
Where did Udi go back?
Huh?
Did Udi go back?
Udi's right here. Oh yeah. God, I freaking love dirt bikes, man, especially trail riding. What's your favorite style of riding? I'm sure most of my viewers are motocross riders, because that's mostly what I ride and mostly what I post videos of. And I love motocross, don't get me wrong, I really love it. But every once in a while, switching it up and doing this is just so freaking fun. Four-stroke in the woods. The power band is so nice and smooth. I can hold that throttle halfway and just cruise through it, and it keeps up my momentum really nicely. I really like the engine braking of the 250F in the woods too. Especially when the soil is dry like this, it makes it feel a little bit safer going down hills, not having to brake as hard. So the engine braking just helps me out so much. Yeah, buddy. Far ahead. Gonna see if we can catch up with him, man. Hopefully he's taking in the view up here, not just riding past it. Nope, he rode past it. Oh well. Coming for you. Tight. Oh, he's on it. Moving good through here. But which trail did he take? Alright, so mission success. I did catch him, I just didn't see where he was. Every once in a while you just gotta stop, smell the roses, take in the view. Oh my goodness, this is the spot. Beautiful. I don't like turning my engine on at all. I like just free coasting down this. Alan wants to get redemption on this hill climb. He almost made it to the tippy top, but he stalled out his 125 at the very top. But now that he's on his 250F, I think it's a piece of cake. 250F just chugs up that hill, no problem, no question. Yeah! Alright, y'all, that's going to conclude the motor vlog for today. It was such a great day out here ripping with my buddies. I really hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed riding today. If you did like it, make sure you hit that like button because you know how much it helps out my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.